Hi, Sarah from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing again here, and welcome back to our Ultimate Google Ads Checklist for e-commerce, where today we're moving on to a different section. We are looking at ad extensions now. So checklist item number 25, I believe, is asking whether you are using Sitelink extensions and descriptions. So let's just quickly show you what a Sitelink extension is. So Sitelink extensions, this is actually a brand ad here. Sitelink extensions are these links underneath the ad here. So they're clickable through to multiple pages of your website. Now, when I talk about having descriptions on your site links, you can literally just add a link. So a text and a link, this bit that you see here. But you can also add a description up to two lines of description. So that's what you can see underneath the links here. Now what site links do is, as you can see in this particular ad, it gives you a lot more real estate in the search results. Now this, usually you only see the extended ones on a brand campaign, on a brand ad, which is what this one is. But as you see, if you haven't got the description in, then you won't have this lovely map. I mean, look at the size of this ad all the way down here. So that looks really good. If you don't have, without the description, let's just quickly show you here. You can see these are site links also. They're also clickable links under the ad, but they just have the title. There's no description underneath. So sometimes when you, even if you have a description, it doesn't often show. But this is what they will look like. So the reason that you want to have these site links is that it allows you to send people to more than one place on your website directly from your ad. It allows you to highlight maybe different categories that you want to highlight if you have sale items or whatever. So like, for example, here they've got today's deals, you've got instant video, and if we look down the bottom, so we've got some more here. We've got car aerosol spray paint here, and then we've got quick aerosol kit and a car matched aerosol. There's a couple of site links here. So it's very important. Now, site ad extensions are really important anyway, because it increases your overall quality score, which reduces your costs, which increases hopefully your click-through rate, that kind of thing. So it's very important that you must use as many site links as are relevant. Now I'll link to a video up here that I've recorded previously, which walks you through how to create these site links, how to set them up, and gives a little bit more information about why you need them as well. But the main question today is to check that you are using site links and to make sure that you are using the most relevant site links for each individual campaign and possibly even each individual ad group. You can have site links at individual ad group level. So you need to make sure that they are as relevant as possible to the keyword that somebody has put in, which means you really need to think about not just maybe adding blanket site links for the entire account, but looking at each individual campaign and making sure that your site links are as relevant as possible to that campaign, and as I said, even to the ad groups themselves. So that's today. Are you using site link extensions? So if you don't forget to like the video, and please comment below if you have any questions, and you can also download the entire checklist below this video as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care now. Bye bye.